Today we are making classic Crema Catalana from Spain. It serves 6 people and takes about 1 hour, plus 2 hours to chill. Silky custard with a shattering caramel top. Let's do it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 liter of whole milk, the base of our custard. Peel of 1 lemon, cut in wide strips without the white pith, for citrus aroma. 1 cinnamon stick for warm spice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for depth. 8 large egg yolks to make the custard rich and silky. 150 grams of granulated sugar for the custard. 40 grams of cornstarch to set the custard. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the sweetness. 80 grams of granulated sugar for the caramelized top. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Use a vegetable peeler to remove the peel of 1 lemon in wide strips, and avoid the white pith. Add 1 liter of whole milk, the lemon peel, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to a medium stainless steel saucepan. Heat until the milk is steaming, then cover and let it steep for 10 minutes off the heat. In a large bowl, whisk 8 egg yolks with 150 grams of sugar until pale. Whisk in 40 grams of cornstarch and 1 pinch of fine salt until completely smooth. Bring the infused milk back to a gentle steam, then remove and discard the lemon peel and the cinnamon stick. Temper the yolk mixture by slowly whisking in about 1/3 of the hot milk while whisking constantly until it is smooth. Pour the tempered yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk, whisking constantly to combine. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a spatula, until it thickens and a few bubbles appear at the edge, about 3 to 5 minutes. Do not let it boil. Immediately pass the custard through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl to make it silky smooth. Divide the Crema Catalana custard among 6 shallow ceramic ramekins and smooth the tops. Let the ramekins cool at room temperature for 20 minutes. Then refrigerate uncovered until the steam is gone, cover them, and chill for at least 2 hours until set. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of the 80 grams of sugar over each ramekin, about 13 grams per portion. Caramelize the sugar with a kitchen torch, moving in small circles until it is deep amber and glassy, then let the caramel harden for 1 minute. If you do not have a torch, place the sugared ramekins on a tray under a very hot broiler for 2 to 4 minutes, rotating for even color, then let the caramel set for 1 minute. Tap the caramel crust gently to crack and serve the Crema Catalana right away, while the top is crisp and the custard cold. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is Crema Catalana, crisp on top and silky inside. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe.